In this series, I'm going to be talking about closures in JavaScript and how other concepts that closures depend on fit with this topic. But before we dive deeper into the code, let's see a real-life example of closures. Imagine you're hanging out with some friends, having dinner or a few drinks or something, and you guys are talking about several things and laughing and all that. Then someone tells a joke or makes fun of something, and everyone laughs at that. Nice one, that was funny. And the conversation goes on and on, you know. Later on, some other person uses whatever was funny from the first joke to make a brand new one, which is derived or based on the first one. So the joke is about the same thing. And even though that first joke is over already, and everyone is talking about some other stuff, everybody laughs again at this one too. Here we can say we're creating a closure. But the thing is that, for us as humans, it is pretty obvious when to laugh. We don't think of it. We just use common sense, culture, and so on to get it on the fly. At least most of the time. But the JavaScript engine has no common sense and needs somehow to write it down somewhere in order to know why it's funny and when to laugh, let's say. But then it's not funny anymore, of course. And precisely this capacity of using some information about something that is apparently over to generate a new joke in this case, and to make it funny as well, is what closures allow us to do in JavaScript. Now, in this analogy, we can say that jokes are functions that are being executed one after the other. They make everyone laugh, so they give a result and that's it. The conversation will be our code that keeps executing until the party is over. And the content, so all the information to make that joke funny, are the variables and functions inside the first function. These variables are used in both jokes, the first and the next one about the same thing. So they represent all the information that they need to make everyone laugh. And by the way, the same as in our human conversations, closures are something that happens under the hood in the code by default, as they're just a feature of JavaScript. But we can create them in purpose and take advantage of the language, and that is the point. But anyways, I'll see you in the next lecture.